in our culture, have you ever wished you were
Of the opposite sex. Which sex do you think is easier in your culture? Gay. This is a tomboy.
Oo.
No? I love
If
them.
you are given the power to kill people by thinking of their death and twice repeating their world goodbye, people will die a natural death and no one would suspect you. Are there any situation you would use this power?
Yes. Yes. For sure, I love them.
If you were able to live
The age of 90 and retain either the body of the mind of a 30-year-old or the last 60 years of your life, which would you want?
30s.
But body or mind? Oh, 30s. What would you constitute a perfect evening for you?
Listen, lagyan na question.
Perfect evening. Kuan.
Wala to siya. You
Would you rather be extremely successful professionally and have a tolerable yet unexciting private life, or have an extreme happy private life and only a tolerable and kana ang twice? Ay, ikaduha.
Ato ha? Ay, boring.
Extremely private life niya. Tolerable na ang gusto nila.
Boring, uy.
Ano to siya?
Whom you admire most?
What does that person inspire you? Kasi,
Kuya na ko.
manoy naman. Bakit?
Ang good gibuhatanan para makahuman ng
Isa
gusto
ko admire.
Nawala
Chari.
If at birth you could select the profession of your child,
Would you eventually pursue?
would you do so?
Yes. Oh. If at
Yes or no? Wa mo good.
Oh.
What would you do so? Yes or no?
Sorry,
Bugo.
dili ba, dili
Habog
ba?
naka-exam guy.
library books.
Ay, sorry.
Books, Jikoy. Would you do so? Would you do so, man?
Na yes or no?
Oh, so, no, would you do so? Na, sa mukha na.
Isa to na ba?
Would you be willing to become extremely ugly physically if it meant you live for 1,000 years at the physical age? Which is next. Buti na.
If you could wake up tomorrow having gained or any ability or quality, what do you eat?
What would it be? Gained any one ability or quality? Ability or quality? Ability na...
Ako ability na kabawang palusot sa tanan.
Ability niya... Asa man na? Read now?
Kani, you have the chance to meet
Someone with whom you can have the most satisfying love imaginable. The stuff of dreams. Sadly, you know that in 6 months the person will die.
Bullshit ka.
Knowing the pain that would follow, would you still want to meet the person and fall in love? What if you knew your lover would not die, but instead you would betray?
Ay, masakit ni te. Di naman tubog ko.
yan, te.
Ko na lang ko, ato na lang ko sa 6 months.
Oh,
Na maday kaysa mag-betray ko. Ouch.
Really?
Ouch.
Ay, kuana, sounds family.
Family kayo. If you know.
A way to use your estate following your death to greatly benefit humanity, would you do it and leave only a minimal amount to your family? Ayo, uy, family sa
ako
ako.
na ko kung family. Do you prefer being around men or women?
Do your closet friends tend to be man or women? Men.
Men.
I prefer to be men.
If you could use a voodoo doll to hurt anyone, would you choose? Would you? Yes, oy!
Books.
Yes, yes!
Yes, yes. Well, on a trip to another city, your spouse or lover meets and spends a night with an exciting stranger talk. Given that they will never meet again and that you will not otherwise learn the incident, would you want your partner to tell you about it? If roles were reserved, would you reveal what you had done?
Uy. Depende sa abot.
Kay,
Kung saan itabot.
di, kay, awa, ay ko na, uyab mo niya. Nag-travel mo siya, nakitsurva siya, glay niya, kasulti. Shit, memeng.
Ay, was had.
Bagay ta.
Other people, you envy enough to what trade lives with them.
Who are they?
Wow.
Are the people you envy enough to,
Wala. I'm contented, my friend.
wala?
For all the expenses paid.
One week vacation anywhere in the world. Would you be willing to kill a beautiful butterfly full of its wings without stepping on a cockroach?
No.
Stepping on a cockroach siguro kaysa kill a butterfly.
Pero maraming na, kan mo yung question, kay maraming ko ka na
I-trade ni mo.
philosophical ba? Either i-trade di mo na murag mo maghimo ka o batay. Para lang, hala, wala ni basa sa question.
Kada books ni books.
I'm so bright.
Would you be willing to murder an innocent person if it would end hunger in the world?
No.
Wait, so if hunger in the world, innocent,
Innocent
person.
I'd rather be killed myself.
Miss Universe. Yun na yun. If God appeared to you in a series of vivid and moving dreams and told you to leave everything behind, travel alone on the Red Sea and become a fisherman, what would you do? What if you were told to sacrifice your child? Lord, no.
Huwag kang ganyan, friend.
Pag ganun. What is your most treasured memory? Ako na si mong tanan mo, balik ka. Treasured memory. Christy.
Secret. Uy, buong.
Oh, dili ba?
Kagets lang.
Have you ever hated anyone? If so, why and for how long?
Uy,
Why and for how long?
betrayal.
Trial, how long?
Hangtod pa karon.
Ah, okay. Sounds familiar. Would you rather be given $10,000 for your own use or $100,000 to give anonymously to strangers? What if you could keep 1 million or give away 2 million? Ilo, tamat naman.
Ayaw na.
If you knew there would be a nuclear war in 1 week, what would you do?
Tago.
Oh, mapatay ko daw tao. Would you accept 20 years of extraordinary happiness and fulfillment if it meant you would die at the end of the period?
Oh, happiness na
Yes.
no. At least happy ka when you die.
Yes. What is the greatest accomplishment of your life? Is there anything you hope to do that is even better?
Wala pa as of now.
Hindi kay greatest accomplishment.
Ay na agad wait, pero more than na. More than na.
What? Is there anything you hope to do that is even better? Wala. Travel.
Ay, oo, travel.
Bago. What is your most enjoyable dream? Your worst nightmare? What dreams?
Nightmare. Kato.
What a... yeah. Would you give up half of what you now own for a pill that would permanently change you so that 1 hour of sleep each day would fully refresh you? No.
No.
Really worth it. If you knew you could devote yourself to any single occupation, music, writing, acting, business, politics, medicine, etc., and be among the best and most successful in the world at it, what would you choose? If you knew you had only a 10% chance of being successful, would you still put it in the effort?
Oo, at least use effort.
Yes. What was your best experience with drugs or alcohol?
Alcohol ra. Okay, drugs. Sorry.
Bad na.
Bad na.
If you went to a dinner party and were offered a dish you had never tried, would you want to taste it even if it sounded strange and not very appealing? Yes.
Depende.
Hindi ka maignoy. Do your close friends tend to be older or younger than you? Older.
Younger.
Sa ako, older.
Ako, younger.
Gore na ka.
Shut up.
If the person you were engaged to marry had an accident and became a paraplegic, would you go through with the marriage or back out of it? Maparalyze mo.
If love na ko siya, why not?
I love Miss Love na, ladies and gentlemen. Your house containing everything you own catches fire after saving your loved ones and pets. You have time to safely make a final dash to save one item. What would it be?
Papers.
Mga papilis, documents. How would you react if you were to learn that your mate had a lover of the same sex before you knew each other? Oh my God, my husband's lover.
Ay, dapat yun ako, day.
At yan, ladies and gentlemen, when were you last in a fight? What caused it and who won? Oh, fight yun.
Wala pa man.
Wala. So, pwede ibugmo mo yung kasama. Ayun, na yung matsa.
May number.
Next. Someone very close to you is in pain, paralyzed, and will die within a month. He begs you to give him poison so that he can die. Would you? What if it were your father?
Ay, di ko. It's very hard.
Dili, naman si Mercy killing good. Kanang maluwag
Pero
ko
pati
din.
ano.
Lang. Paligsan na lang ako. When did you last sing to yourself? To someone else.
Wala.
Someone else. Shut up, bitch.
Last. Masakit ito na siya.
John Mayer.
Dili.
Sipa, oh, sorry.
Ay, wala. Wala.
Wala na.
Dugay na. Halata.
You have the power to go any distance into the future, and after 1 year, return to the present with any knowledge you have gained from experiences, but with no physical objects. Would you make the journey if it is carried a 50% risk of death?
No.
Given the choice of anyone in the world, whom would you want as your dinner guest, as your close friend, as your lover? Dinner guest at dinner guest.
John Mayer.
Dinner guest?
Dinner guest?
John Mayer.
Oh.
Close friend.
Dili. Di close me.
Who gani? Who ba? Who? O pwede lang who rin. Dinner guest, John Mayer. Close friend.
Ano friend?
Hindi. Feel ako sa kinalasan na as your lover.
Wala.
Shut up. As your lover, Patrick. As your close friend,
Close friend tayo mo
Kirk Villanueva. As gani, as ba?
Harlin. Harlin ka?
Ako na lang, pa-cute ka man. While parking late at night is slightly scrape the side of your Porsche. You're certain no one else is aware of what happened. Hawa lang ako. The damage is minor. What would you
Di na mahalin tayo.
cover? Ay, samok na insurance. If you could choose the manner of your death, what would it be?
Sura na question eh. Manner of your death.
Kaya matug mo matay.
O ka na, matatugan na sa earthquake. Ay, sakit man.
Ay, ayo kay mo gyud po naghaya ni mo bungkag kay kag namin. Glili wala kayo.
Ay, urom na.
Do you have any specific long-term goals? What is the one and how do you plan to reach it? Long-term goals. Kato yung travel.
Oo mo na.
Nya sa may plano.
It depende ni Lord kung asa ko ihatag.
For what in your life do you feel most grateful?
Friends, what in your life?
How do you react when people sing happy birthday to you in a restaurant?
Shock. Oh, wow.
What is the most
Worst.
psychological torture you can imagine suffering? Any causing even minor physical injury that not to be considered? Pinaka-hibi nga.
Wala pa man.
Di, kaya mo ma-imagine ba nga gi-torture ka? O feel na ako ka ng panitan nga bugi.
Ako dunggapon.
Dunggabog dago. Aray! Ang ganun yun. Sakit tayo. Would you like your spouse to be both smarter and more attractive than you?
No.
Ganun.
Wala day, bugo kay ko. Attractive pa na ko.
May nag-text.
Ito ko mail.
Mars, asa mo man na may simbo. Nami fully booked ari ang.
Bugo mail. Attractive
Ikaw
pa
lang.
kayo siya niya.
Ikaw
Bright
sa
pa
uko
siya.
lang.
Insa na lang ko mail.
No, beauty.
If you found that a good friend had AIDS, would you avoid him? What if your brother or sister had it? Depende
AIDS.
sa akin. AIDS, di naman na makatakod.
If ka ng dugo, laway, would you be willing to give up sex for 1 year if you knew it would give you much deeper sense of peace than you have now? SPG yung question.
Pass.
Uy, zero na, uy.
Wait, for 1 year? Give up for 1 year?
Would you be
Wait,
willing to give
I'll
up
give up
sex for
24
1 year
years.
if you knew it would give you much deeper sense of peace than you have now? Deeper sense of peace. Kasi di akong peace, okay naman akong peace. No. Joke pa. A good friend pulls off a well-conceived practical joke that plays on one of your foibles or makes you look ridiculous. How would you react? Feel ako karelate ka niya. Kanang birahan ka sa tubangan, mga joke nga aray.
Ow, die.
Ow.
Kalma lang.
How would you react?
Calms.
Calms.
Last na lang ka.
By controlling medical research. Ayun lang, medical research. Okay, di mo would you add 1 year to your life? It meant taking 1 year from the life of someone in the world selected at random. Would it matter if you were told whose life you were? Yes. Ay?
Pass.
Imong kontra, di lagot kay ka. Ang ko na 1 year, idungag ako sa ako.
Okay, fire.
Can you urinate in front of one? Kaya di ba?
Di, uy.
Oh. If you walked out of your house one morning and saw a bird with a broken wing huddled in, what would you do? Nangyayay nga bird. Diba? So, ano? Ano? When you tell a story, do you often exaggerate or embellish it?
Dili.
Dili. Do you feel that advice from older people carries a special weight because of their greater experience?
Oo.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah. When has your life dramatically changed as the result of seemingly random external influence? How much do you feel in control of the course of your life?
Sura na question na.
Kita silong. If a friend were almost always late,
Gray na na.
would you resent it or simply allow it for it? Can you be counted on to be on time?
Pass.
When did you last yell at someone? Why did you later regret it?
Wala ko
Shaggy.
nag-regret.
Nasa ka lasa ka, Shaggy? Sige mo lang kay Shaggy.
Oo, mo gani. Wa ko'y regret.
Will you be willing to have horrible nightmares every night for a year if you would be rewarded the extraordinary wealth? No!
Wala no.
Hindi ka katulog na ni.
If you could have free, unlimited service for 5 years from extra.
Chauffeur, housekeeper, masseuse, or personal secretary, which would you choose?
Free. Unlimited service for 5 years.
Good cook. Good cook. Nay, tigluto ni mo.
Pwede sad. Pwede duha. Cook, housekeeper.
Cook o personal secretary. Kaya all around. So, ang limpyo dito. Would you be willing to go to a slaughterhouse and kill a cow? No, giat.
Di mo kayo kumunta ng pat yun baboy.
Nakatagas kayo. At tantag-ugma. One hot summer afternoon while walking through a parking lot at a large shopping center, you notice a dog suffering badly from heat inside a locked car. What would you do?
Day, ako ablihan, day.
Ako tag-iya.
Bahala na siya kakamatayo ng
Sugubo na mong bildo.
uy.
Panaw na-enroll si Rina. Yot, pa-enroll na. Do you feel ill at ease going alone to either dinner or movie? What about going on vacation by yourself? Nasara ako.
O ka na, ganan ka ko na.
Ha? O, dili ka mag-uol?
Dili.
Ah. If you knew that in 1 year you would die suddenly, would you change anything about the way you are living now?
No. I'd rather kuan. Kanang akong
Mas
buhaton kung unsa ako nabili na lang.
Ay, nasa na yung mat. If you were to discover that your closet friend was a heroin dealer, what would you do?
Day, dukol. Dukol sa paisa siguro number yun. Ay, lang sa ano.
It is easy for you to accept help when you need it. Will you ask for help?
Oh, sometimes. It's very needed.
Would you have one of your fingers surgically removed if it somehow guaranteed immunity from all major diseases?
Finger. Dahil, sikero ko dahil. So, ano ko pa?
Aray naman, dahil. Kinalasan, pagpangan. Would you like to be famous? In what way?
Yes.
In someone, in what way? Rock
Photography.
star.
Photography.
How do you picture your funeral? It is important for you to have good people mourning your death.
Funeral.
Nang suod na makasuod. Daghan ko gipang bahan eh. Nang di siya pasudlo.
Funeral, ganan ko dili ka ng kuan. Dili siya drama.
Kanang naikuan mo. So welcome, Irene O'Shea.
Oh yeah, bro.
Arlene, awa na. Which of the following restrictions could you best tolerate? Living in the country permanently or never leaving the state in which you live now? Never.
Wala. Balik ka magapon ka sa where you are.
Yeah. Sige, padung na. Ako yung nasta. Sinidapit sa photography.
Awa, kani, if you could choose to sex and physically oppress of your son to be born child, would you do it?
Ano? Yung physical appearance yun. Yes. Okay. Kaya mag-desire ka ba kung sa'yo mo gusto liwat? Dapat liwat.
Would you rather play a game with someone more or less talented than you? Would it matter who was watching?
Depende naman na eh.
Kani o Mara, is there something you dream of doing for a long time? Why haven't you done?
Yes. Walang pera at strict ang parents ko. Ang taas.
My number.
97.
What are your most Compulsive habit. So you really struggle
Oo.
with this habit.
Kanang dili ra mairit basta na ano siya?
Oh, compulsive siya, malaayan ra ko.
What do you most strive for in your life? Accomplishment, security, love, power, insight and knowledge, or something else?
Kuan. Most strive, accomplishment, love, excitement.
Accomplishment o excitement?
Knowledge po, kamay. Okay ra, buguon
Yan
ko.
naman, abot na ng love. 102.
How close and warm is your family? Do you feel no?
Was happier
Pasko
than
ani.
other people? No. Does the fact that you have
You
never
never
done
done
something
something
before
before.
increase or decrease? Does that appeal to you? Increase. Kaya mo kag...
Would you be willing to give up
Sex for 5 years, you could have wonderful sensual erotic dreams any night you wish. No. Kaya...
Thanks.
dream.
At a meal.
At a meal.
At a meal. Your friends start
Belittling a common acquaintance. If you felt their criticisms were unjustified, would you defend the person?
Oo, uy.
Do you usually make a special effort to thank someone who does you a favor? How do you react when you aren't thanked for going out of your way for someone? Yes. Siyempre, malain.
Since adolescence, in what 3-year period do you feel the experience of the most personal growth and change?
3 year, naa sa second year college pa dong 4th year.
Kani, if you're having difficulty of an important test,
Okay.
specific sheet by looking at the someone else's paper, would you do so? Oo, uy, para makagraduate ko.
Masa tara maigot. If you were at a friend's house for Thanksgiving dinner and you found a dead cockroach in your salad, what would you do? Shit, meme.
Dahil ibalhin.
Ibalhin gutom. Excuse me. Gutom na kayo ko.
If you could take a one-month trip anywhere in the world and money were not a consideration, would you go? And would you do so? Oo, uy. Money is not consideration. Makita na ng kwarta. God would provide.
Yeah. Rock and roll.
Basta free lang good.
Would you be willing to reduce your life expectancy by 5 years to become extremely attractive?
Yeah.
Hell no.
Hell yeah.
Hell no.
How many different sex partners have you had in your life? I will pass ko ni ha.
You try to question, read hardly read.
How many different sexual partners have you had in your life?
Would you prefer to have one or fewer? Answer the question.
What?
Wait, would you prefer to have more or fewer?
Fewer. Luyan ako.
Maluso. Ito naman eh.
Have you ever considered suicide?
What is so important to you that without it, life will be? Yes, consider suicide, yes.
But
Important
ikaw?
to you. So important to you? Wala na. If your friends and acquaintances were willing to bluntly and honestly tell you what they really thought of you, would you want them to? Yes. Honest.
Would you able to wake up tomorrow in the body of someone else? To do so. Oh.
Looking someone, who would you pick?
Victoria's Secret model.
Kuan imo si Miranda Kerr.
Oh, no. Or si Tara Banks.
Ato kung kuan. Kasi man. Yan, ito siya.
If you were happily married and then meet someone you felt was
A certain
certain
levels
was
of deeply passionate, intoxicating love, would you leave your spouse? What if you had kids? Ay, kabit-kabit ang show.
Puso na din nato?
No. When you do something ridiculous, how much does it bother you to have other people notice it and laugh at you?
Wala pa.
Just a mother, what is the most important person in your life? What could you do to improve the relationship? Would you ever do it?
Depende sa...
Wala na.
Ano na, marag...
Ayun. If you could change anything about the way you were raised, what would it be?
Ma-change tanan.
Di, if you could change, like, the way you gipadako.
What it be? Gusto nga na question na. Wala namang good. Kaya marag... Oh,
Kung tinto na. Do you believe in any sort of God? If not, do you think you might still pray if you were in a life-threatening situation? Yes.
oo. While out one day, you are surprised to see your mother holding hands with someone very her laughing. She runs over
And begs you not to say anything to your father. How would you respond? What would you do if your father later told you that he was going crazy because he kept thinking your mother was having an affair? Wala ka, what ka?
Please pass.
Mubo ang question this one. Pero, if you went to a beach and it turned out to be a nude beach, would you stay and go swimming? Would you swim nude? Kana yun? Kana skin dipping mo.
Nag-load man sila tanan. Maikog sad ta.
Pag-ikot tayo, ikaw rin bikini. Have you had satisfying sex within the last 3 months?
Pwede.
No.
Secret.
Ako, wala kay kondom. I-post ako sa Facebook. Yun na yun.
Bahala na mo.
Would it disturb you much if, upon your death, your body were simply thrown into the woods and left you to rot? Uy, salvage lang. Oh, ni Beanwood. Alright.
Pag kasi, your child will be, wala ko'y child.
Do you find it so hard to say no that you regularly do favors you do not want?
Wala.
So far. Would you
Would
like to know the precise there? I date if you're deaf. Yes.
Din- Ay, lain. Hindi ko ganahan.
Do you have a favorite sexual fantasy? Would you like to have it fulfilled?
Wala.
Answer the question.
Wala akong
Wait, do you have? So, damgo. Huh?
No,
Would you like it to
No.
be fulfilled?
Naku. Ay, wala.
Okay, binusan siya.
When did you last connect with another person by yourself?
Ano sa ama na?
Gabi kahapon.
Last week.
Kahapon.
Pag Thursday.
By yourself. If by having a 2-inch by 2-inch tattoo, you would have seen 5 days pregnant.
Thursday, tapos you do so
Oh.
if you were allowed to select the decision decide. You have it. Sa, there.
Someone you love deeply is brutally murdered, and you know that identify of the murderer, who
Unfortunately, is acquitted of
the
the
crime,
crime.
which is sick.
Yeah.
Oh, ay.
Patay ang show.
Ay, na kwarta.
What do you value
Value
most in a relationship?
Trust.
Loyalty. Masha.
Do you judge others by higher or lower standard than you do? Sometimes.
Depende sa tao.
If you had to spend the next 2 years inside a small but fully
Antarctic shelter with one other person, who would you have? Who would you have? Wait a
ako ganahan good.
Ay, Alex. Sige sa man.
Basta wala to.
Okay.
Kaparang yata.
Never last question kitong tanong taning. What things are too personal to discuss with others? Last
Sex.
question.
Sex.
Far. Bye-bye.
Ikaw.
Sex.
Oh, da.
Bye-bye, Harlene.
Wala na kon. Haha.